Welcome to second part of making the portfolio website. In the first part you have already seen how we created this part, and in case you have not checked out part 1, I will give the link of part 1 in the description of this video. In this video we are going to write about the about me layout. Okay, so let's go to the index.html. So here I am going to create, okay, first let me write one command. So here I'll just write down for referencing later reference, creating layout about me. So inside it I'm going to create a section, and here I'm going to give the class and the ID name as about. So I'll write down class equal to about, ID equal to about. Inside the section I'm going to create one more class. Okay, so let us give the class name as class equal to heading. So inside this heading class I'm going to create one paragraph. I'll write down P, and here I will write down get to know me. Okay, then inside it I'm going to write one more heading. I'll give it H2. Inside it I will write down about me. Okay, so just save it, and then we are going to go back to the browser, refresh it. So if we go down, you can see now we have this layout heading. So inside the same class about, we are going to create another layout. I'll give the name as content. So here I will put my profile picture, and next to it I want to write down about myself. So to put the profile picture, I will create another class, div class, let the name be w50. Then inside it I am going to put the image. So I'll write down image source. I will if you remember, in part 1 we have stored all our images in the folder images. So pick one.png, and here also I'll give another class name, let it be class equal to profile. Okay, so this particular picture is having the profile class. Then I'm going to, next to this picture I want a layout where I'll write about myself. So div, then class, I will write down, let the class name be content w, let it be content w50. Okay, you can give any name you want. So inside it I'll give one heading. So I'll just select H3. So according to your convenience you can change the heading style. I'll write down who am I. Then next to this line I want to display H2, say I am, my name will be written in bold, so I'll give B. Okay, Bunny. And then I'm just going to write down a programmer. Okay, so after that, after writing this, I want to give a description of what I do. So for now I'll just include the lorem text, like basically it will give you one predefined paragraph if you just write down lorem. Later on you can write down your own description here. So I'd like to add one more paragraph here just to make it look good. So let's save it, and let's go and check it on the browser how it looks. Okay, let me save it, and we'll go to the browser, refresh it. So if we go down, okay, you see get to know me, then image is coming, and downside the paragraph is coming. Now we need to change this picture, it is coming too big. I'll try to give a small picture. So let's change it in the Visual Studio. So we have pick one here. So what I will do is that I'll go to images. So here you see I will change it to profile 1. So I will write down profile 1, save it. Okay, let's go to the page, go to the browser. So you see it is reflecting, getting reflected here. I'll refresh it once again. So if I go to about me, you can see this picture has been replaced. Now it is looking pretty good. Now inside, like immediately after this paragraph, I'm going to add one more div class, okay, division. So I'll just write down div, and class, let me give the name heading bottom. Okay, so just below the paragraph, it is this section is going to come. Here I will give one anchor tab. This will be for the resume. Okay, I will upload one resume, so I'll just write down ahref. Now here I need the link of the resume. So what I will do is that in my desktop, in my computer, I have one resume. Let me go to the location. So Windows D. Okay, so here I have one resume. I'll just copy my resume and place it inside the image folder. Okay, I'll go to the image folder, and here I am going to paste my resume, res. Okay, now I need to upload it from the Visual Studio. So I'll go back here. So here I'm going to write in href images, inside it res.doc. okay, and then I'm going to give the name of a class also. Class name also I will include here. So I will just write down here class, let's give the name btn. Okay, so the resume is there. Then just below the resume, I want another div section, division, where I will be writing my name and age. So I'll just write down div. Let us give some class name here also. So I will write down class equal to bt. Okay, so inside it, in bold, I'll write down B for bold. I'll write down name. So after bold, I'll just write down my name, Bunny. Then after that, I'm going to give one break, BR. Then after that, in the next line, I want to display my age. Again, inside bold, I'll give age. Let us give the age, and that's it. Okay, so I'm just going to save it, and then I'll go back to the browser. Let's go back to the browser. So here you can see, if I refresh it, if I go down, let's go down. So if I go down, you can see just below the paragraphs that I have written, this href is coming here. Nothing is displayed here because I have not given any name. Then below it, name and age is getting displayed. Okay, now I'll be adding few more things inside here. I will what I'll do is that I will copy this and I will paste it below, because I want one more division exactly like that. Okay, I'll just change the name to email, and let's give some email. Let me give bunny@gmail.com. Then I will change age with location. Okay, so according to your needs, you can give whatever data you want. Let us give India. Now let us save it and see how it looks in the browser. We will go to the browser, refresh it. So you see below, we can see this one. Okay, so as of now, we have written just the HTML part. Now we will apply CSS to it, which will be done in the next part of this playlist. Thank you everyone.